minister. Ye wie no. Na fe ahia say ye tro consultant no normal crofo never site because now ye be start adwuma.
Okay.
Ti ye be start adwuma no. Ena ye tro consultant no.
Okay.
So on crunch contractors no be an confirm. A car ne ye de no.
Okay.
Then project ne abandon ye. Ni ye nyina ye no mu ye discussion say ne na cement ye 10 cedis. And cement abey 100 cedis. Enti say adwuma na wa ye no. Ba bia aka akoduru de esese ye to aso. Na nye te say do say aba because fluctuations bi asa abam and as inflation bi asa abam. 2 mo nyina mo da na mo ye no am bo mo lots no of the 576 no. Obia je sika trusses every DBS ho. And our boy ya yentua ne ka. Enti musika no nyina so mo my commitment say obia sika ewom no that part of that amount you betua direct to DBS na fe no ono na bebo so na fe na sika bi abedi obi ho a wo be ye free 3 ye ne bank for no conditions ne say omo se ye ma obi nye lead consultant.
Okay.
Enti mo nyina ambeye dikofi brofo no nyina enie the contract between Ashanti Regional Coordinating and your company Aduanaba refers. We hereby submit to you an advanced mobilization to consultant no mo kan ye no mo te ase no.
Okay.
Number 1A in favor of measures Atachi construction in the sum of 8,211,759. Breakdown of direct payments as recommended as follows. Because you can say, Oma Peneso, no more nyina jiatomu dia. Ehia se sikano eba beda obi account to because there's transparency. Minister of Finance has approved. The local government minister has approved. You'll be enim ne krata or the agiatum as our correspondence is in a Wakachoma assembly. Until now, no. See, YouTube said an agent boating here 20 cities. It shouldn't come to KMA for KMA accountant to write a check.
Okay.
And in here, Obian Fanaka no more direct transfer
from Fidelity Bank
straight to the account.
KMA will not even come into
Obia
straight from the bank to the
contractor's account.
KMA does not come in disbursement. Okay.
Into paper money. The breakdown of direct payments are coming as follows. DBS is the sum of 2,130,000. Measures attached. Respective subcontractors in the sum of this. Until you do be there.
Am I?
Until you say, Omu nyina so edia omu de call.
87.9.
And now, ye so no, Omu nyina so ewa ha. Obia ye tre omu said esitie. Into omu no bond ene omu agreement a.
Nyina ne nkrata bebrebe.
Omu so pene say.
Okay. The amoma sese no.
Omo pene so.
Omo di so.
Eka me jitu say me kwesi mensa project na 100,000. Ye appraiser na bedru bia 120. As a president Kofo any NDC person ye tria me mu 2 cedis. I come a balance say. So that works into the 50.
Said the beya na chese omo de air to
87.9 Kumasi.
Mame fan 20 fo anim se bia fe no adwane ye ne ankoma ye di nyina ye krofrom dwa matete na mframam na KMA si on sika 3 million ayira KMA se da bi sika bi anyira Fidelity Bank se da bi enchirimu ne ntesa enani nyina ne yaka bom a anopai ye pese ye ginchirimu na Amoamanhene eye mpanimfo a anase manhia otokokọ so yi ni se oni animu ewo ni developmental project how do I koso asanteman mu nyina on ene di matintiman ewo project mu anopai odum ye no ama yinchirimu ewo di ye na nampa choto asoma
in all site meetings na ye kono employer Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly ye kwa omuno nkrofo eba
okay
enti Reverend Samuel Amponsa that time on deputy finance minister.
Okay.
David Amaya works engineer. Said about mo project no. Assembly members kwa appear from PON. Traditional authority Nana Jenim Boateng. Project contractor, consultants, contractors and also our more site omunyina aba.
Oh ha.
na fe ya praise project
Akoma
Dabi dia
87.9 Kumasi.
April 30 2021 Honorable SSB
Kumasi.
David Abana J Metro Finance Engineer Jeffrey Osun Safwa Civil Engineer Kwaku Apia Assemblyman Krofrom Patrick Frompong Assemblyman Local Government Rep Inus Ashero representative of Ministry of Local Government Traditional Authority ye nyina ye betenem because ye nyina stakeholders site meetings are ko nyina
Aho
any
report ni.
ne ho krata ni
I see.
ye wia te say the na papa na bisa say ye mama status report no kofi eno so any every time be a meeting no ye progress report
Okay.
Akoma
ba ko say
I see.
87.9 Kumasi.
Baby akwakodu we May 2021.
every
Progress
month
report.
be a be ko site meeting no
I see.
near a progress report and that progress report telling us on the state
Wow.
of Babia yedu
Wow.
ye wie ye so a ye sign so ti ni nyina da bia
Just a very detailed.
Yes.
Any. Therefore na wo hwe no.
da bia
Okay.
ye wie ye no ye san submit quarterly report go na 1 year
87.9
contract ye say February 2021
Okay.
to February 2022 as ye wie just 1 year
The first phase.
no the whole project
Hey. Oh, really?
the whole contract 1 year
And think crop from Janonka 2021. Nka by 2022 no nanka ma wie
Yeah,
bia.
so and this is
Every
every quarter bia so
quarter therefore booklet ni ni.
say na yede ko
A quarterly report. And nanka crop from Jan with the 1 year e ba be wie
February
bia
2021
to February
2022
and nanka mo ba be wie.
wie
Through this
Yes.
Fidelity Bank.
Akoma FM 87.9
yeah,
Kumasi.
I see.
o de ase
Hey. Uh-huh.
eti say KMA assembly ene ne nkrofo betena ho na oba site meeting na unya we nyina report no
Ewo mo hobi.
when they chro brew na abegina radio so say so nim de ekwa then what are they sitting there talking about enti dem ho na adwuma be na omo so omo te omo ye
Hey.
say every who meeting say say wa we PM ne no that na anye PM wo betena meeting mu bi o de bia san na mo tro sika no so nyina no mo na mo ma paper ye ne nyina na ye ko site meeting ye duru ha ya say ye bia every month bia site meetings nyina eni e wa ha enti na de na mo so ko ka kire mo assembly no
Now, Nana, my member the issue of concern. Eye na inti as Fidelity Bank out of the 40 million, almost the country are saying, ma'am.
8622 no pe enti of the 8622 no because
The
of
first tranche of SCA Fidelity Bank release here was 8.6.
8622
8.622.
and only the first phase that is the 80% of the 2304 apata any inner roads
And I know the omu
80% in the area
Okay.
Akoma
enti na
FM 87.9
Moro market for
Kumasi.
no so hot omo nyina no ho na no mo
Aye.
ti e do omo nyina ba site omo nyina ba site be hunu say de e kosuni enti we de in this 6 months here ya wie
And anka project ni nyina ye 1 year.
1 year
And by 6 months now they can be about 80% of the apatana na ye ni nyina.
enti ye
Or-
the first 6 months say ma no asem na boy
Aye.
ye ka kire omo say
Yeah.
enti sa 8622 no
Apatana shirts na apatana yes. The apata ye hu.
2304
2013. But enrechi ya 2021 on buy na mbe wie du e.
say the we kura de say afufu ma correct one na ne foforo na ne roads no
Okay.
and I'm sending bread
Aye. Nana ya ma forward that yeah images. Kwa no mame there be call Facebook page boardroom images. Mo share na mo coordinate no man.
but she say new
And I Sir John so any say ni.
sata na ye roads ni nyina ni
Okay.
so nti we num nyina
And I wrote them after the other.
do the roll
Yeah, until we no
yeah
side.
yeah site meeting
Okay, until we tama no mo
yeah
plus.
yeah my May 2021 no ni
87.9 Kumasi.
so February March April May 3 months ni adwuma ni
ana contractor 7 in our side kiti ana o ma plaster ye bibia
obia no said ni May what I say May 2021 any eti ano ena ye sa adwuma we nyina te say dem ka say progress report we nyina ye de ebe kire ye Kofi edru 6 months no ene ye fa boro market ni wo mu nyina ne edwomfo no nyina se ye do mu ba sa time no ene ye so okay ba bia edro no de ese etimi eye rental values ni etimi hunu se